Hello friends, my name is Nishant and you are watching Nishant channel of technology. And welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to change the WhatsApp ringtone. It's a very common question and step by step I will tell you how to change the ringtone of WhatsApp. First step, open the WhatsApp and then click on these three dots and then click on settings and then notifications. You can see that there are three options: message notifications, group notifications, call notifications. I want to change message notification ringtone, so I have to click on notification tone. And I want to change it to basic tone, so I click on basic tone. So friends, it is a very easy method. You can change the ringtone by this easy method. If you want to change the group notification, then click on notification tone, then repeat the method. I want to change it to beep once, then I will click it on beep once. So friends, by this easy method you can also change the group notification. And third option is call notification. So friends, I want to change call notification, then I will click on ringtone. Then I want to change it to crossing a river ringtone, so I will click on it. So friends, if you like my video, then please like it. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe it, because subscription is free. And if this video is useful to you, so please share this video in your WhatsApp or Facebook accounts. And my name is Nishant and thank you for watching my video.